Okay friends, today I'm going to be doing some gold leafing. You can see these are gold leaf sheets. To go with that, I've got this metal leaf adhesive. I've not used this before, but it looks easy to use. I've already done a watercolor painting here. This is a Ganesha artwork, and I want to enhance all of the jewelry by adding gold leafing. Apply adhesive using a brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the adhesive everywhere that I want it. So I'm not gold foiling everything, I just want to gold foil the jewelry. And this adhesive is definitely much thicker than normal white glue. And you can see here now that it's kind of drying transparent. Wherever I've put it in first, you can already see that it's kind of drying already. So I'm going to wait, give it about 10 more minutes, and then I'll come and apply the gold leaf on top. I prefer to use my fingers. I'm just going to lift the gold leaf and then lay it on top of an area. The gold leaf is only going to adhere where we've applied the adhesive. It's not going to stick anywhere else. I ended up letting this dry overnight. I didn't get time to come and dust it off. And now I have a brush. It's a square brush. You really want something that has a nice straight edge. It's a little soft, and all you're going to do is rub against all of the gold leafing. And you will see that it just remove the excess, so you have the gold leafing where you want it only. You'll see the gold leafing only adhered to where we had the glue. Anywhere the glue wasn't there, the watercolor is revealed underneath. This is so super satisfying. And it looks so subtle and shimmery, the gold. It's messy, but it's so beautiful. The adhesive remains tacky even a little bit for a while. So if you need to, you can go back, apply more adhesive to do any repairs. So I'm just going to shake this off here. And that is my finished gold leafing. Can you see how it catches the light? It is just so beautiful. I love how easy this is and how beautiful it turns out. Here's my finished painting in the frame. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have any questions about this technique, we can chat in the comments too. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting.